彼は外国人。
He's a foreigner. He's a foreigner.
彼は、じゃない、外国人。
He's not a foreigner. He's not a foreigner.
彼は、外国人。
Is he a foreigner? Is he a foreigner?
彼は、注意深い。
He's careful. He's careful.
彼は、じゃない、注意深い。
He's not careful. He's not careful.
彼は、注意深い。
Is he careful? Is he careful?
彼は、自信がある。
He's confident. He's confident.
彼は、じゃない、自信がある。
He's not confident. He's not confident.
彼は、自信がある。
Is he confident? Is he confident?
彼は、創造的。
He's creative. He's creative.
彼は、じゃない、創造的。
He's not creative. He's not creative.
彼は、創造的。
Is he creative? Is he creative?
彼は、気になっている。
He's curious. He's curious.
彼は、じゃない、気になっている。
He's not curious. He's not curious.
彼は、気になっている。
Is he curious? Is he curious?
彼は、決意している。
He's determined. He's determined.
彼は、じゃない、決意している。
He's not determined. He's not determined.
彼は、決意している。
Is he determined? Is he determined?
彼は、興奮している。
He's excited. He's excited.
彼は、じゃない、興奮している。
He's not excited. He's not excited.
彼は、興奮している。
Is he excited? Is he excited?
彼は、自由、今日。
He's free today. He's free today.
彼は、じゃない、自由、今日。
He's not free today. He's not free today.
彼は、自由、今日。
Is he free today? Is he free today?
彼は、自由、明日。
He's free tomorrow. He's free tomorrow.
彼は、じゃない、自由、明日。
He's not free tomorrow. He's not free tomorrow.
彼は、自由、明日。
Is he free tomorrow? Is he free tomorrow?
彼は、友好的。
He's friendly. He's friendly.
彼は、じゃない、友好的。
He's not friendly. He's not friendly.
彼は、友好的。
Is he friendly? Is he friendly?
彼は、上手、料理が。
He's good at cooking. He's good at cooking.
彼は、じゃない、上手、料理が。
He's not good at cooking. He's not good at cooking.
彼は、上手、料理が。
Is he good at cooking? Is he good at cooking?
彼は、上手、英語が。
He's good at English. He's good at English.
彼は、じゃない、上手、英語が。
He's not good at English. He's not good at English.
彼は、上手、英語が。
Is he good at English? Is he good at English?
彼は、得意、数学が。
He's good at math. He's good at math.
彼は、じゃない、得意、数学が。
He's not good at math. He's not good at math.
彼は、得意、数学が。
Is he good at math? Is he good at math?
彼は、得意、スポーツが。
He's good at sports. He's good at sports.
彼は、じゃない、得意、スポーツが。
He's not good at sports. He's not good at sports.
彼は、得意、スポーツが。
Is he good at sports? Is he good at sports?
彼は、病気。
He's sick. He's sick.
彼は、じゃない、病気。
He's not sick. He's not sick.
彼は、病気。
Is he sick? Is he sick?
彼は、健康的。
He's healthy. He's healthy.
彼は、じゃない、健康的。
He's not healthy. He's not healthy.
彼は、健康的。
Is he healthy? Is he healthy?
彼は、健康的。
He's fit. He's fit.
彼は、じゃない、健康的。
He's not fit. He's not fit.
彼は、健康的。
Is he fit? Is he fit?
彼は、寒い。
He's cold. He's cold.
彼は、じゃない、寒い。
He's not cold. He's not cold.
彼は、寒い。
Is he cold? Is he cold?
彼はセクシー。
He's hot. He's hot.
彼はじゃないセクシー。
He's not hot. He's not hot.
彼はセクシー。
Is he hot? Is he hot? I just realized when you say is he hot, it sounds like two girls talking to each other and they're saying like, is he sexy? Hot means sexy. You can use it if you want, or you can take it out if you want.
彼はからこの辺り。
He's from around here. He's from around here. You're from here. That's a bit weird. I think you're from here. You're from here. I'm not sure. Are you from here? Are you from around here? So ne, I'm gonna change this. From around here. So I think usually we would say you're from around here, not you're from here. So I'm gonna read it again.
彼はじゃないからこの辺り。
He's not from around here. He's not from around here.
彼はからこの辺り。
Is he from around here? Is he from around here?
彼はこのエリアから。
He's from this area. He's from this area.
彼はじゃないこのエリアから。
He's not from this area. He's not from this area.
彼はこのエリアから。
Is he from this area? Is he from this area? He's from this city. I'm saying this city, but maybe it sounds a bit like the city. Is he from this city? He's from this country. Maybe we can say the city instead of this city. Sometimes some people are from inaka. So sometimes it's useful to say, this is my friend Tom. He's from the city. Or this is my friend Tom. He's from the countryside. So maybe I'm gonna change it.
彼は都会から。
He's from the city. He's from the city.
彼はじゃない都会から。
He's not from the city. He's not from the city.
彼は都会から。
Is he from the city? Is he from the city?
彼は田舎から。
He's from the countryside. He's from the countryside.
彼はじゃない田舎から。
He's not from the countryside. He's not from the countryside.
彼は田舎から。
Is he from the countryside? Is he from the countryside?